What's up, everybody? I want to come to you to do a quick update on Audcad. We looked at this earlier in the week as a possible sell opportunity that was setting up. So I want to do a quick review to see what the market has done since the last video. Before I jump in, like, subscribe. Would definitely love your feedback in the comments as well. Also, join our Facebook Mastermind. We have a free group over on Facebook where we look at multiple pairs. We do trainings twice a week on Saturday and Sunday, breaking down the market, seeing what the market is doing, so that we can prepare for the upcoming week. We also talk through Elliott waves, we talk through Fibonacci, we talk through price action. Great opportunity to really hone this skill of trading so that we can all truly make a profit and ultimately change our financial situations. So definitely join us. All those links will be in the description for the Facebook Mastermind. So let's jump into this really quickly here. So we see that price made its move down or started to make the move down, and you see, based on the markup that we had, our entry was here, and price did take us all the way back to kind of the extent of our stop loss, right? 24 pips. I said generally I try to keep the stop within 20 pips. Did go a little bit further than that, which is okay as long as it's within your risk tolerance and you have your risk to reward set up properly and the proper lot sizes based on your account size. So I did go 24 pips into drawdown, and then you see what happened, right? It gave us a double top here, and then price really took off. And if we put a fib on this, you can see how price really respects these areas, right? So with the Fibonacci, you draw it from the swing high to the swing low, right? 2 candles to the left, 2 candles to the right of that low point and of that high point, and you see, right, price touch here, and it gave us a 38.2 pullback. And we go from red area to red area, right? And you see price came down and it stalled right at the 0.618 area. So price respects these areas, man. The market is all math. Fibonacci is all math, along with this Elliott wave sequence. So, and then if we extend this down to the next swing low, right, we'll see what happened. Price gave us a 23.6 pullback, right? 23.6 pullback, so that's the blue area, and price came down to that 1.27 extension, right? And you see it's consolidating here. So price respects this Fibonacci tool and the Elliott wave sequence. So what we're looking for price to do at this point is give us a pullback. Could pull back up to the trend line, possibly a little higher to the 61.8 area, before it continues down. So we are watching this, and if we take a step out, we can take a look to see what has transpired. And if you look at all of these levels as in the Elliott wave sequence with Fibonacci, we can see that price does respect it, right? So we got, this was our original swing high, swing low, right there. See, price came back to the 61.8 area, and it still hasn't hit its D extension yet, right? Price still has not hit the D extension. Let me delete this one really quick so we can get a cleaner view, right? So this is the D extension for that original move down. So we are waiting for price. We are expecting price to come down and reach this D extension based on this pullback here. You got a nice little dance here, and again, we could get another pullback here before we get a continued push down with our ultimate destination. And like I said in the previous video, we'll play these Elliott waves, A, B, C, looking for this full D move down here. But we'll play these all the way down to our ultimate destination of the 38.2 retracement of that full move, this full move up here. So the market is moving, guys. Elliott waves, Fibonacci. It definitely works. It's all math. So we'll continue to watch. We'll continue to watch this pair to see how it continues to move and respect this trend line on its way down. If you have any comments, leave them in the chat. If you have any questions, leave them in the chat as well. And also your comments, send them to me, connect with me on social media. I definitely love to hear from you guys. Definitely love to hear from you guys. Like, subscribe, share. And until next time, we will chat soon. Thanks, everybody.